Hi guys,
Hi.
welcome back to our channel. And after such a long break, हम वापस आए हैं to give you the updates of whatever is happening at Salts HQ.
But then we are going to give you an update about the month of September of 2025. But अभी real time situation ये है कि we are in Bombay again for for a High Rocks like event that is happening on 24th, and we are super excited for that. So it's going to be more than 300 participants, and Drink Salts, our brand, is the hydration partner. So we're going to
Yeah,
be fueling all those hybrid athletes, and we're super excited and super stoked to be a part of it.
yeah.
And at this moment, हम लोग हैं Jolly Gymkhana.
Gymkhana में
Yeah,
in Ghatkopar. We were
Jolly
here to
Gymkhana
meet.
in Jolly Gymkhana in Ghatkopar.
Yeah, we were here to meet one of our advisors, and we had breakfast with him. Amazing. This is actually a cool place, and आज weather भी काफी अच्छा हो रहा है.
Actually, weather काफी अच्छा हो रहा
Yeah.
है. And
Of course, some drinks as usual.
मेरा गला ठीक हो गया तो I'm gonna have some fun.
Okay, so coming back to the point, let's start off with September 2025, जहाँ से हमने left off करा था.
Yes.
So September was again quite something because हम फिर से बॉम्बे में ही थे उस टाइम पे भी.
हाँ, हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे
Yeah,
बॉम्बे में?
let's tell them.
हाँ.
तो
अच्छा हाँ, तो वो वाली वीडियोस भी मैंने अपलोड कर दी है जिसके अंदर मैंने रिवील नहीं करा कि हम बॉम्बे में क्यों थे.
yeah,
बट नाउ दैट वी कैन रिवील इट, वी वर हियर फॉर,
Shark Tank auditions.
so we were, yeah,
तो
go.
हमने जुलाई में when the process started, we had of course filled out the application. हम उसके second round में भी चले गए, which was a video round.
जिसके अंदर
And
हमें वीडियो बना के शार्क्स को एक
yeah,
डेमो वीडियो बना के अपलोड करनी थी. वो भी हमने सिलेक्ट कर लिया उसके अंदर. फिर फाइनल ऑडिशन जिसके अंदर हमें रियल टाइम डमी शार्क्स को, जो उनके क्रू का पार्ट होते हैं,
yeah,
उन लोगों को फिजिकली इंटरव्यू देना था, जस्ट लाइक कि आप एक रियल टेलीविजन पे देते हो, बट नॉट टू द शार्क्स बट देन टू देयर क्रू.
yeah.
सो वी डिड दैट एंड वी, अभी जनवरी हो गया, उन्होंने बोला था कि दिसंबर या जनवरी में आपको टेलीकास्ट हो जाएगा, तब आपको कॉल आ जाएगा.
But I think we are too early to be on Shark Tank.
Yeah, but then we're gonna
So
aim again this
for
year.
this year,
2026 का जो ऑडिशन जुलाई में खुलेगा,
2026 Shark Tank Salts.
we
Let's
are
go.
coming. Yeah.
And हाँ, तो that was the major highlight. And उसके बाद the main thing that happened was, तो उससे पहले वाले मंथ में we were in Spiti, हमने पूरा Spiti marathon करा था. And when we came back, we were actually working on something which our community actually asked us for.
Yeah.
So we started off with, of course, a pack of 15 sticks at 659. But yes, we understood, and a lot of our customers, a lot of you guys told us कि अगर हम कम क्वांटिटी में सारे फ्लेवर्स ट्राई कर सके, लाइक अ
Like a
कॉम्बो
sampler.
और अ बंडल, हाँ,
Yeah.
सैम्पलर अगर उन्हें मिल पाए.
Before they can finalize कि which
Yeah.
flavor they want to double down on,
Yeah.
stack up upon. So hence we listened, heard you guys, and we came up with power up bundles.
Yeah, power up bundles. It's a five stick box of all the three flavors. So it's like in total again it's going to be 15 sticks, 5 of each flavor.
So 5 citrus,
Yeah.
5 mango chili, and 5 watermelon.
Yeah.
And again, if you want to buy these boxes individually, it's going to cost you 299. But if you want to bundle all of them up, we have a special price for you. We're going to give you the same 15 sticks of three different flavor at the same price of 659.
Yeah.
Even though it is going to cost 897, but we want you guys to try it.
Yeah.
So we're going to give you at the same price.
Yes. So even when we were in Spiti, we were working continuously, like on the designs of the boxes and material of the boxes. सारी वो चीज़ें चल रही थी. And finally, जब when we reached back, हमने first samples approve करे, and we gave in the order of those boxes. वो फाइनली आए एंड इवन वो बॉक्सेस भी जब आए आई नेवर न्यू कि वो जो ऐसे आते हैं सो दे आर लाइक फ्लैट लेज एंड उनको हम ओपन कर सकते हैं एंड
हमें
उसको
इनफैक्ट
हमें असेंबल करना
हाँ,
होता
हमें
है
लग रहा था कि बॉक्सेस बने हुए आएंगे,
बने
बट वो
हुए
फ्लैट
आएंगे
आते हैं
या
एंड देन आप उसको कंप्रेस करके यू टर्न इट इनटू अ बॉक्स. So
yeah
that
so
was
that
also
was
a new
yeah
experience.
that was fun
Yeah.
and then when we launched that on our website I mean you guys were so happy about it कि
हम लोगों ने अभी तक 3 बारी अपना फुलफिलमेंट सेंटर रीस्टॉक कर दिया
कर
है.
दिया है
And
yeah
also in this month we're going to put in a huge order, our next huge order
yes
of of sticks.
yeah of salts
हाँ, मतलब
yeah
of our product. तो ये वाला जो पुरुषला पूरा बाश था, you guys have shown so much love, we are out of it. and नया ऑर्डर भी हम लोगों ने प्लेस कर दिया, हम लोग पिछले
yes
हफ्ते गुजरात भी होकर आए, बट
yeah
that's for another video.
yes and so when we launched that boxes on our website I think on the same weekend we had a offline event which was in Noida. It was a collab with a pickleball court or a paddleball court
Yeah.
sorry and
Courtside Club, it's called
yeah
Courtside
it's
Clubs.
called courtside
So if
club
you guys are in Noida, if you're watching from Noida, definitely do check out Courtside Club. The founder's name is Vanya, super great,
yeah
and we had a lot of fun doing
Yeah.
that event and also showcasing our.
So so I think that was the first ever event जहाँ पे कि हमने अपने we didn't take out the packs. We were just like showcasing our boxes
Yeah.
and offline उस event में the boxes got so much love कि people actually bought it off of us उसी time पे like
Yeah.
real time.
Yeah,
They
so we-
they just bought it.
Yeah.
They tasted it. Of course, at every offline event, our main focus is sampling. कि we make you guys taste it first because that's what matters to us.
Yeah.
And I know we trust the product so much कि आप एक बार ही taste करोगे you will want to get it.
Yeah, you would want to get it, and you're gonna come back for more for
Yes.
sure.
Yeah. तो उसी उसी को देखते हुए we got so excited कि मतलब कि offline में भी like we are able to sell it off to people and it just sort of gave us a validation right
Yes.
yes even these boxes are going to work out for us which in the eventual months it did and we're ready to place our another order already
Yeah.
so a huge I would want to say it's a huge success for us but yeah it's a long way to go
Yeah.
and उसके बाद जो हुआ that was कि February हाँ so we did another offline collaboration
Yeah.
but that was with two communities so there's this community called Sweat Project and Girls Gone Strong these
Yeah.
are both Gurgaon based communities so Girls Gone Strong is a women community women who live
Shout out to Manisha.
yeah shout out to Manisha Khungar amazing I love her her energy everything
And we also heard that she recently ran across the border, right?
yeah she did the border race yeah she
The
did the border race
Border race in
that's
the
50 kilometers she did the 50 kilometer
जो
border
ये
race.
वहाँ पे है, क्या नाम है ये राजस्थान साइड पे है ना?
Yeah.
राजस्थान जैसलमेर साइड
हाँ
पे.
जैसलमेर border race yeah
Don't quote us on that, but then she did something very wild and crazy.
Yeah.
Not a lot of people can do that.
So yeah and then there's another it's called Sweat Project so
So-
Sweat Project is
So
again
shout out to
Arun
Arun. His Insta handle is Arun Move Fit.
yeah
Arun
Again-
Chahal.
Yeah, Arun Chahal, and again, amazing guy. You guys wanna just get fitness training or just enter wellness per se. He is the best guy to sort of like guide you.
Yeah.
and
And he's also opening up his own place here in Gurgaon now.
Gurgaon, yeah.
So excited to see that. But yeah, so Sweat Project is something like a wellness retreat, and it is a very niche and a very community led kind of a thing, in which they would take you out to Goa, Phuket, and Thailand, and just everything wellness. Ice plunges, running on the beach, doing Pilates and hot yoga, and
yeah.
and
aqua healing,
what is that
everything.
Muay Thai with the Thai
Muay Thai?
Muay Thai, yeah. I mean, all sorts of crazy things, and
Yeah.
you would meet like-minded people, and it's just crazy. So we did this collab,
And
Sweat
that
Project
was
X
Girls
Girls
Gone
Gone
Strong,
Strong.
X-Salts, of course.
Yeah, and we did the craziest thing. We whipped up 3 insane mocktails, and they loved it. That's the word on the street. They loved it.
Because like nobody ever thinks of electrolytes as a mocktail base, or even think about कि अच्छा इससे like some fun drinks can be made.
Exactly.
It's always associated with that stigma कि नहीं ये तो बीमारी के time पे और it's such a boring product, and that is what we wanna do.
That is
To
where we come
make
in.
hydration fun again.
Yeah.
Why you don't have to drink that boring water again and again. You don't want to drink those dumb juices or whatever. It's like we just want this category to be fun again and go crazy about it.
Yeah.
And that is why in that event we were able to pull off this mocktail thing, because again it was a small event. Only 20 people who are like high intent people were there.
Yeah.
And क्योंकि हम सिर्फ दो ही थे, तो it was easier for us to cater to like 20 people and make mocktails for them.
Yeah.
क्योंकि हम खुद ही बना रहे थे.
Yeah.
But it was amazing. We put out this small easel जिस पे हमारा bar menu था, and we asked them कि आप पहले से ही हमें orders दे दो.
Yeah. And while they were doing their activities, we would
we
whip
were
up the
whipping off,
mocktails for
yeah.
them. And while they are done for their 5 or 10 minute break between the activity, and they can just grab their drinks, have like a nice moment, and then like
Like a
get those
refreshing
electrolytes
moment.
back inside yourself,
Yeah.
and then go back at it.
Yes. So
Yeah.
that was again a hit, and people loved our mango chili one because we had made it with
Jalapenos.
with jalapenos. Like it's already mango chili, and we made it a little bit more spicy.
Yeah.
So that
And then
was
हम
that.
लोगों ने उसके साथ क्या करा था? So with citrus, we did
With
with
citrus, we did a
fresh
blueberry and
fresh pressed orange juice.
juice mocktail.
Yeah. And with watermelon, we did watermelon cooler. It
Cooler.
was with fresh coconut water and basil and mint. Oh,
Yeah.
banger.
So that was also very, very, very tasty. Usually what with watermelon sauce, what we love to do is to get in the actual watermelon and make you guys like sprinkle on it.
हाँ, हम लोगों ने
But,
पिछली summer ये वाली चीज खरीदी थी.
Yeah,
So
but it's more of
actual,
a summer thing.
yeah. So actual watermelon, उसपे watermelon salts,
Yeah.
and that's how you beat the heat.
Yeah. But I think I love that ritual, and again in 2026 summer we're gonna repeat it at different events. But I think we're trying कि हम इसमें कुछ extra fun कर पाए this year.
And if you have
So,
any suggestions, we are down to hear all of it.
yeah, of course.
What else did we
And
do?
now for the major thing that happened with us in September, like of course events and stuff kept on happening. Those box launch happened, but a major milestone that we achieved was to get Mr. Arjun Vaidya on our cap table. So, just to give a context, Arjun Vaidya is this D2C guru who had his own D2C brand called Dr. Vaidya's, and he sold it and is now a startup enthu and a startup advisor
An investor.
and an investor, of course.
Yeah.
And again, a crazy story. So, should I reveal the US thing that happened?
नहीं, I think वो अगली वीडियो में करना चाहिए.
Okay, so I'll keep that info for the next video. But just to give you a gist, we met him at High Rocks, Mumbai. That happened for the first time ever here.
In April.
And in May.
May.
In May, and so at that time we were just doing this wet sampling, making people taste salts out of a dumb Bisleri bottle, and he was there. I made him taste it. He loved the mango chili again.
Yeah.
And immediately the next day I texted him, it was lovely meeting you, and I'll stay in touch with him. So I just a random text I did, and in return he said, loved your product, send me mango chili. And I was like, okay. So I sent him like a huge pack of all the mango chili packs that we had. and so like usually what happens is that founders like us would want to like sort of go after these investors or like these advisors ki, like help us and sort of like be a part of our team. But this time it was kind of an astonishing thing that happened for us, that it was the other way around, that he really loved the product and he wanted to be a part of our team. So and of course, like as much as we also wanted it, it was reciprocal.
Yeah.
So a huge win for us on that. So he has joined in on Saul's team. The paperwork was huge though. Like all of the things to get in place was a task, but we overcame all of that and finally have Mr. Arjun Vaidya on board with us.
सोए भी तो नहीं है.
Yeah, it's actually been more than 24 hours कि अब हम सोए नहीं हैं.
हाँ.
So yeah, so huge wins for us in September 2025. Sales were also great, and yeah, so we'll see you in the next video for October 2025.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.